Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, NEL 2. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 4.3 and 4.4 problems related to chapter 4, lines and angles. Let us start 17th question in exercise 4.3. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of x, y and z. Solution. From the figure, angle QPD is equal to 2x plus 3x, that is equal 5x degree. Angle QPD plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree since co-interior angles. That implies angle QPD value is 5x degree plus angle PQR value is 80 degree, that is equal 180 degree. Next step, 5x degree is equal 180 degree and 80 degree move to the right side, it becomes minus 80 degree. After subtract, we get 100 degree. Next step, x degree is equal to transposing 5 to the right side of the equation, it becomes 100 degree by 5. After cancellation, we get 20 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal 20 degree. And also, y degree is equal to 3x degree. That is equal 3 into x means 20 degree. That is equal 60 degree. Alternate interior angles. Next step, y degree plus z degree is equal to 180 degree since linear pair. Next step, y degree value is 60 degree plus z degree is equal 180 degree. Z degree is equal 180 degree. Transposing 60 degree to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 60 degree. After subtract, we get 120 degree. Thus, x is equal 20 degree, y is equal 60 degree and z is equal 120 degree. Next, 18th question. In the adjacent pair, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of x, y and z. Solution. From the figure, angle AEP plus angle PEC plus angle CEB is equal to 180 degree since straight angle. That implies angle AEP is x degree plus angle PEC 70 degree plus angle CEB is equal to x degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Add the like terms on the left side of the equation. X plus x is equal to x degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Transposing 70 degree to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 70 degree. After subtract, we get 110 degree. Next step, x degree is equal 110 degree by 2. Here, transposing to the right side of the equation. After cancellation, we get 55 degree. Next step, in triangle APE, we have angle A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle APE plus angle AEP is equal to 90 degree according to angle sum property. Next step, angle APE is equal to x degree plus angle AEP value is y degree, that is equal to 90 degree. That implies x degree is equal to 55 degree plus y degree is equal to 90 degree. Y is equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree, that is equal to 35 degree. And also angle CEB plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. Angle CEB value is x degree plus angle DCE value is equal to z degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Next step, x value is 55 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. Next step, z is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. After subtract, we get 125 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 55 degree, y is equal to 35 degree and z is equal to 125 degree. So, 19th question. In each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of x in each case. In this Roman, I will do first question, remaining two are homework. Solution for first question. Draw EF such that EF is parallel to AB or EF is parallel to CD. Let x is equal to y plus z. Clearly, y plus 104 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is a equation 1 since co-interior angles. Similarly, z plus 160 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is say equation 2 since co-interior angles. Adding equation 1 and equation 2 so that we get y plus 104 degree plus z plus 160 degree is equal 180 degree plus 180 degree. Y plus z plus 104 plus 116 it is equal to 220 degree, that is called 180 plus 180 360 degree. Next step, we know y plus z is equal x plus 220 degree is equal 360 degree. Next step, x is equal 360 degree minus 220 degree. After subtract, we get x is equal 140 degree. Let us start exercise 4.4 problems. First question, in the given figure, find out angle x, angle y and angle z. Solution for first question. We know that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. Therefore, x degree, here x is the exterior angle, that is called opposite interior angles, that are 60 degree plus 50 degree, that is called 110 degree. Therefore, x value is 110 degree. Second question, z degree is equal to 60 degree plus 70 degree, that is called 130 degree. Since z is an exterior angle of a triangle. Third question, y degree is equal 35 plus 45 degree, that is called 80 degree. Since y is an exterior angle of a triangle. Second question, in the given figure, AC is parallel to BT. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Ray SB bisects angle AST. Find the measure of angle 1. Solution. Given that AC is parallel to BT and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. SB bisect to angle AST. That means angle 2 equal to angle 3. It is a equation 1. Since the alternate interior angles are equal, we have angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Since alternate interior angles, it is a equation 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Since corresponding angles, it is a equation 3. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Since sum of the three angles of a triangle BST. Angle 3 plus we can write angle 2 from equation 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 4. It is given, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus we can write angle 5 from equation 2. Angle 4 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. But angle 5 is equal to angle 4, that is given. Angle 4 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Add the like terms on the left side of the equation. Angle 4 plus angle 4 plus angle 4 is equal to 3 angle 4, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 is equal to 180 degree by 3. After cancellation, we get 60 degree. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 60 degree from equation 3. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Question number 3. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Semicolon BC is parallel to DE. Then find the value of x and y. Solution. It is given that AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. From the figure, we have 3x is equal to 105 degree since alternate interior angles and BC is the transversal. X degree is equal to 105 degree by 3. After cancellation, we get 35 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 35 degree. And also, angle BCD is equal to angle CDE since alternate interior angles and CD is a transversal. Therefore, angle CDE is equal to 105 degree. Now, angle DCE plus angle CDE plus angle CED is equal to 180 degree since angle of a triangle. Next step, angle DCE value is 24 degree plus angle CDE value is 105 degree plus angle CED is equal y degree, that is equal 180 degree. 24 plus 105 is equal 129 degree plus y degree is equal 180 degree. Y degree is equal 180 degree minus 129 degree. After subtract, we get 51 degree. Therefore, y value is 51 degree and x value is 35 degree. Fourth question. In the adjacent figure, BE is perpendicular to AD and CD is perpendicular to DA. Then prove that measure of angle 1 is congruent to measure of angle 3. Solution. It is given angle CDA is equal to angle BEA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by the converse of corresponding angles axiom, we can write CD is parallel to BE. Therefore, the alternate interior angles are equal. That implies measure of angle 1 is congruent to measure of angle 3, taking BD as transversal. Next, fifth question. Find the values of x, y for which the lines AD and BC become parallel. Solution. It is given that AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. Therefore, x minus y whole degree is equal 30 degree since corresponding angles. That implies x minus y is equal 30, x is equal, the minus y move to the right side, it becomes plus y plus 30, it is say equation 1. In a triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. 2x degree is equal 5y degree since alternate interior angles. X degree is equal 5y by 2. It is say equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, x in the equation 1, that is 5y by degree by 2 is equal to y plus 30. 2 send it to the left side of the equation, that is 2 into y 2y plus 2 30 is 60, that is called 5y by degree. Next step, 60 degree is equal to 5y by degree, the plus 2y degree move to the right side, minus 2y, 5y minus 2y is equal 3y degree. That implies 3 1 ja, 3 20 ja, y value is 20 degree. Now y value 20 degree is substituting in the equation 1. X is equal 20 plus 30, that is equal 50 degree. Therefore, x value is 50 degree. Dear children, along with the home assignment, copy exercise 4.3 and 4.4 problems in CW. Thank you.